2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz revealed with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder. For now, Hyundai is only saying that it makes 190 plus horsepower and 180 plus pound-feet of torque. The engine connects to an 8-speed automatic with an all-wheel drive. This setup can tow up to 3,500 pounds. The optional engine is a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 275 plus horsepower and 310 plus pound-foot of torque. It uses an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic that includes steering wheel mounted paddle shifters for manually changing gears. All-wheel drive is standard, and the turbo model can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Hyundai will start building the Santa Cruz at the factory in Montgomery, Alabama in June. Sales will start later in the summer.